The sun bleeding on the still water paints the shore and my skin with fire. Golden streets breathe stories, lights that begin to burn. On one side the last day burns, on the other the shadow advances silently, as if time hesitated for a second between staying or going far away. Houses hold ancient voices, laughter that the wind refused to erase, while the night slowly climbs like a secret in the sea. Streetlights tremble over the plaza, shadows that dance without direction, and I floating above the rooftops, watching the sun depart. Red is the sky, black is destiny. My people beat with the same heartbeat, half memory, half illusion. One side is fire and the other song. The sky breaks right on the line where the day stops burning. A dark edge cuts the horizon and forces me to understand that everything passes, that nothing remains, that every light knows how to die. But there is beauty in that border where we learn to go. Red is the sky, black is destiny. My people vibrate within me. Though night covers the path, there is always fire before the end. And when the red turns to ash and the blue begins to embrace it,